too high. Born free.
Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm back again checking out another clone version. But this version is from Matt Monroe. And what I'll be reacting to it's called Rouelle, Cariño, Born Free of All Sudden. Alright, so with that being said, let's see what's up. I am not sure who is this guy. I'm not sure what he's capable of. I never heard him before. So this is actually another adventurous moment for me in the clone version world. Alright, so let's venture.
We were fools, you and I. Now we know it. We stood still as the days moved along. Love was ours, but our eyes didn't show it. Suddenly we could see we were wrong. All of a sudden, this world's yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine. Now every moment, there are songs to sing. All of a sudden, everything. Volveré a querer algún día. Ahora sé que no voy a llorar. Si en mí ya no hay alegría, la esperanza me hace gritar. Mas todo pasa, todo pasará. Y nada quedará. Solo se encuentra la felicidad cuando se brinda el corazón. La 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 la.
I am feeling astonished. I'm astonished. You know, this guy is terrific because he's exact replica. Everything is just on cue. Very, very precise, calculated. Everything is just mind blowing, bro. Like, this is unbelievable. This is unrealistic. Yo, these youths these days, bro, are crazy with talent. I ain't gonna lie.
Free as the wind. The minute you're gone, I'll cry. The minute you're gone, I'll die. Before you walk out of sight, I'm like a child alone at night. I stare into emptiness. I'm filled with such loneliness. The world goes from right to wrong the minute you're gone. The minute you're gone, I'll see how lonely a man I'd be. My life would be oh so blue if I couldn't be with you. I stare into emptiness. I'm filled with such loneliness. Please don't stay away too long. The minute you're gone.
Whoa. That's what I call precision. Calculated moves. A perfect clone. No mistakes. Nothing like that. It's just so precise. Like bullseye. Yo, this is mind blowing. I can't comprehend this all now, guys. Like, some people are just too good to be on this earth. Like, incredible talents. Can do way more than they are doing now. Because there's so much for them to do. But yes, I'm just finding out that they can do this. Bro, that's crazy. That is crazy. But guys, thank you so much for watching.